Well, as concerns over the uptick in COVID cases in Southern Nevada, health officials trying to prevent history from repeating itself. We thank you for staying with us. I'm Brian Loftus.
And I'm Denise Valdez. Face mask use returned, as you know, last week here in Clark County. Christian Casares explains how one doctor says we are not out of the woods yet.
So the common mode of transmission remains person-to-person transmission of COVID-19.
That's according to Dr. Apeksha Desai from Optum, Nevada, who tells us one of the most common ways to get the virus is being exposed to someone who has COVID, regardless if they show any symptoms.
So I believe that if we are going to be indoors in a public and crowded place where we are unaware of the vaccination status of other people, it still makes sense to continue to wear a mask. And when possible, continue to maintain the social distancing.
As Las Vegas brings back more entertainment, sports, and even dining, Dr. Desai says people can get carried away and will drop their guard even if they're vaccinated.
It doesn't mean it's 100%. Like I said, despite how good they are, they're not 100% protective. You can still get COVID-19, but your chances of getting very sick or ending up in the hospital are very, very low.
Today, she's reminding others to keep those hand sanitizers close by and practice social distance if possible, because the new variants like the Delta is highly contagious.
We in the United States, I think, are pretty fortunate that we have the availability of vaccine and we have healthcare resources, but even so, we want to be cautious and use the resources at our disposal.
Christian Casares, 8 News Now.
If you need to get a COVID test, there are several locations available around the valley. Testing sites will be open at CSN in Henderson, North Las Vegas, West Charleston tomorrow and through Friday. The Southern Nevada Health District also offering COVID testing throughout the week. More information about these sites and other locations, you can visit the Health District's website, and there is no plan or no word about any potential shutdown.